Hello, in this video I'll be going over my Autoclicker program, how to use it, or at least the basics of it, and what it does. So what it does, you have this GUI, which is two main buttons, creating and loading an Autoclicker. Creating an Autoclicker, you basically do a one-time thing of creating the instructions that you want to autoclick. Like let's say that what I want to autoclick is opening Notepad by typing on the search bar, and then I want to spam the word numino ultramicroscopic sickle volcanoconiosis 12 times. Well, how would that work? Well, I can break it down. The first thing I would do is I would point to here and click, right? So that would be a mouse button, which is the first thing right here, the drop down. So I will click on the bottom left there. And calibration for mouse clicks, that happens after creation. A very important note though, currently the mouse thing doesn't support spaces in the name, at least not yet. Right now it all has to be one word. 2.0 should have this rectified, however. I will call this click on search bar. And I'll do a left click, number of clicks 1. Then I will actually have it wait, because when I click here, it takes like half a second to pop up the thing. You see what I mean? So I might have to have it wait about 1 second, so I can just say 1000 milliseconds, and that's the same thing as 1 second. So it'll wait 1 second after clicking before I do the next thing, and the next thing I want to do is typing in Notepad. For that is going to be a regular keyboard, and I want to type Notepad, and then after that I want to click again on this to open Notepad. So mouse, I want to click on Notepad, and that will also be a left click. And after that, I might want to wait another second just in case, because I don't know if there will be like a little bit of lag between when Notepad is selected versus how long it opens. Like if I click it, it shows up, but it still has to do like the animation and all that. But anyways, after then I can do the keyboard again. Let's do 12 times of this long word. Okay, and then let's say that we want to do some other things. Let's say I want to put like an emoji or something. So let's do that. Let's put Unicode character, and let's do a winky face. And you can look up any of these Unicode code points on this table here, unicodetable.com/en. For a winky face, that is 1F609. So that's the one I'll put. And now I'll just put like one winky face at the end. Let's do... The way compare images is more advanced, but basically this one is you can wait until a part of the screen is the same or different. And then this one, it does support spaces in the name. But let's say that I don't want this. I can just remove it by clicking on remove, and now I know which one is removed as well, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 isn't there, so I know that that one is the one that's missing. So let's create this. Let's call it clicker, and you see now that that is the one that's loaded. Let's say I want to load a different one though. I would just click here and select which one I want to load. Once you click this auto click button, if you have any keyboard instructions, nothing extra happens, but if you have any mouse or compare images instructions, you do have to calibrate that, which is a one-time thing. So that's one of the reasons why I went with mouse, so I can show you that. So once you click it, a thing will pop up saying, here is what you named it. Go ahead and click on that spot so it can calibrate. So click calibrating, click on search bar. So go to the search bar and just have your mouse pointing there, and then it'll calibrate that. Calibrating, click on Notepad, so I want it to click here, because that's where it's going to be. And then the calibration's done. And now, once I run it, it should do all the stuff. And this question mark is actually the winky face. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully you guys find use out of this program.